Hey you guys, Esikhomesteddah here with a video on what I made today, you guys. So, I did not add any buttons to these sets. I'm tempted to, but I said, let me try them without buttons. I feel like the brown and the neutral colors is good, for, male as well as female. The one on the right, the reds, I feel like are definitely made for female. And these are actually the zigzag runners and the pillows again. And I love the way these came out. I love the patterns of the fabric as well. And this is what the back of the red is looking like, which is really, really pretty. And sometimes you guys, when you are working on projects, you may not find the complementing fabric for maybe one of your projects that you're working on, like these pillows. And this fabric is actually made by a different designer compared to this fabric right here. But there are times when you can go into like Hobby Lobby, especially Hobby Lobby or Walmart, and if you take one of your fabrics with you, you can pretty much match them up to where they will complement each other very well. So this fabric here does not go with this same designer line right here, but it matched up really, really nice. And what happened with this charm pack is I think I had 2 packs of these. That's why I was able to get 3 pillows. And I ran out of, let's see, this fabric here. So what I did with the other pillow is I used the backing of the runner to put on the back and the front, since I ran out of the eggshell neutral color, which is this one right here. So sometimes you have to improvise. Don't be afraid to go into the store with your projects and match them up, or find something that you can match them up with. So I think these two came out really nice. I think I do have buttons that I can add to this. I might attempt to maybe put buttons on one just to see, but I just wanted to try them without buttons. So again, this is the zigzag pattern. And you guys, I also want to tell you that you can easily do just plate mats. Same method, and just create 2 plate mats, 4 plate mats. Real easy. So those videos are to come soon, but it needs to cool off, you guys. So this is the brown one that came out really nice. And that is the backing on the pillow. In fact, let me get that tucked in right. I'll fix it though. So that is the backing. And here is the backing that I used on the runner. And what happened with this one is, I forgot which one I ran out of fast. I think it was the backing for this here. So I just used some fabric that I found in my stash to put the to use for backing on this set. And it complements both fabrics really well. So I didn't fret about it. I said, look, it's gonna match one way or another. So I feel it still came out really nice, even though the backing for the pillow is not the same as the runner. It still looked nice. So sometimes you have to improvise. And again, don't worry about what people say. You make things from the heart. So don't stress out if things don't come out exactly the way you want them to. They come out the way they're supposed to come out. Even if you make those mistakes is not mistakes. I keep telling you guys that. So I just wanted to bring you guys a little video on my makes. And like I said, they are coming. Videos are coming soon, you guys. But as it gets hotter, and it is definitely vacation season and everybody is moving around, people are getting out. I know my town right now is looking like ghost town, and that's because people are traveling and vacationing since they put this lift off of us, or whatever you want to call it. So I definitely will be getting to these videos for you guys. I know you guys are patiently waiting. So thank you for that. And this is SEK, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel and taking this journey with you. I will see you guys real soon. Peace.